Here's how to create a public shared folder in Google Drive. Alright, so first open up Google Drive. Once you're here, you'll see your main screen. Just right click anywhere on the screen, then click New Folder. Now give your folder a name. This can be anything you want. I'll just call mine File for this example. Then click Create. You'll see the folder appear right here. Go ahead and click on it to open it. Now you can add files to this folder. The easiest way is just to drag and drop. I'll drop a random file in here so you can see how it works. Once you drop the file, it will start uploading. If it is something small like an image, it will upload really quickly. And that's it. Now you have a folder with a file inside it. Now to share this folder with other people, go back to the folder name at the top, click on it, then click Share, and then click Share again. This will open the sharing settings. Here we'll see something called General Access. By default, it's set to Restricted. Click on that and we'll see another option, Anyone with a link. If you select that, anyone who has the link will be able to access this folder. It will be public for everyone with this link. You can also choose what they are allowed to do. They can be like just a viewer, download the files, or just view it. And you can choose editor. They can add more files or they can organize it. Choose whatever fits your needs, but be careful. If you set it to anyone with a link, anyone with that link will be able to access your files. Once you're done, just copy the link, send to wherever you want, and you're good to go. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you when you need help again.